LEO-LKJ-1109PE series is the ideal pump for your beautiful garden. With 4,600 liters per hour max flow and 46 max delivered head, every plant in the garden will be flushed with water from the powerful pump. Get more pressure from your taps. Boost your in-house water pressure with the LKJ-1109 series. With 8 meters suction, this pump can be used on the high floors with its self-prime ability. It is a robust and durable pump which takes good care of your garden. With economic handle, and this pump is easy carrying. Before starting the pump, small amount of water needs to be pre-filled to allow self-prime. Clean out the transparent cap. Pull out the filter together with an integrated non-return valve. Look at this non-return valve. No more worry for the backflow from the pump. When the water is filled, put back the filter and NRV. Close the transparent cap. And now, it's time to let the pump to run. Intelligent electronic activate the pump when required, and then automatically turn it off again. It is fully automatic, energy-saving and convenient. When the pressure side is closed, the pump automatically shuts off. When the pressure side is opened, the motor starts again to deliver water. The LCD shows the real-time flow and head. Simply by pressing the check button to switch between flow display and head display. A dry running safety feature protects the pump from damage due to lack of water. The pump automatically shuts off the motor and the LCD blinks when error information to remind customers to check the suction side. By long pressing that button, you can customize the start time and stop time of pump operation. And thanks for watching.
Leo, love each other.